Welcome to this video. This joint project of the Iowa Legislative Services Agency and Drake University Law Library is intended to teach the public how to find information on the Iowa Legislature website. For additional information, please see the video description. In this video, we will cover the topic portion of the Legislative Document Research tool. The Topic subtab provides a way to find information by subject. I'll click on the Topic subtab, which opens a list of topics in the left-hand menu. LSA uses this list to label the topics covered by each document in the following publication types: legislation, Iowa Code, Iowa Acts, Iowa Administrative Code, and Iowa Administrative Rulemaking documents. Depending on your frame of reference, you might think of these as index terms, subject headings, or tags. When you click on a topic, for example, accidents, the search results for that topic appear in the center viewing area. Clicking on a topic on this page will pull up all document types for the current General Assembly or the most recent version of a document that have been labeled with the topic accidents. The search results are organized by publication type, with only the first few results listed for each type. For example, the search results for legislation from the 87th General Assembly include 10 documents, but here we only see the first 3. To view all of the results in current legislation, click the 10 Documents link. At the top of the page above your search results, there's a reminder about the scope of your search. This reminder explains the types of documents that you're looking at and the years for each that are covered. It also reminds you what it means if you get no results in one or more publication types. In addition, there's a See Also reference that suggests some other topics that might be of interest to you. If you want to find the documents associated with one of those topics, for instance, damaged vehicles, simply click on that link and the results will now show documents for damaged vehicles. You can also search another topic by clicking on another topic name in the left-hand menu. Note that when we clicked on damaged vehicles, we moved to the D section of the list. To move to a different letter, simply click that letter, for example, M, and you will see the start of the list of topics beginning with the letter M. You can browse these topics using the scroll bar to move further down the list of topics starting with M, or if you return all the way to the top of the section, there is a Type Ahead search box. As you start typing in this box, the application will make suggestions based on what you have typed. This is very similar to the predictive text feature that Google utilizes. I'll slowly type the word motor. Watch how the suggestions change as additional letters are added. When I click on motor vehicles, the search results in the center are now for documents labeled with that topic. Thanks for watching. Links to the other videos in this series can be found in the video description.